And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. This is a beautiful flank steak. See how beautiful? See? And all you need is going to be a little bit of salt. And I like this salt from Iceland because this one is birch smoke salt. But you can use any salt you want. And you can do some pepper too. And you do the same on the other side. So you preheat your cast iron or whatever pan you want to use. I go with cast iron. I preheat this for a couple minutes so the heat distribute. Going to reduce the heat to a couple notches above medium. You use some oil, and the kind of oil I'm going to use is this garlic confit that my son's girlfriend in South Carolina, Michelle, she prepared for me. So I'm going to use that. You can use any oil. But I like this very much because of the garlic flavor that it adds to my meat. And what you're going to do, you're going to put this steak here. And you're going to cook one side for about a minute and the other one for about the same time, maybe less. You have to watch it, maybe a few seconds more. Get a garlic handy, and you're going to grind a two, some stuff, or half a two. Put some pressure on it so it goes there. Let's cook for about a minute. After a minute, flip it around and do the same. Get that garlic. If you want to, you can put a little bit more of the confit. This confit has some chunks of garlic too, so it's going to add some deliciousness. So you can use butter as well as oil. Let it cook for about 45 seconds to a minute. And voila. Take it out. See how beautiful? Put it to rest in a clean bowl. I wash this one. After you're done, you're going to use the same pan. And what I like to do, I reduce the heat to a couple notches below medium. See, the beauty of this is that you have these chunks of meat and garlic and stuff that you cooked here earlier. So I'm going to add some onions. And I'm going to add about half a cup, maybe 3/4 cup of drinking red wine. I'm not talking about cooking wine, I'm talking about drinking wine. If you cannot drink it, don't cook with it. Medium heat. Let's go back to medium. Add some unsalted butter. Maybe a little bit thick. You can add some sea salt. This also came from Iceland, but you can use any type. Move things around. Lower the heat to a notch or two above low. Add another thin of butter. Move it around because you want to melt it. Then add about a quarter cup of beef broth. You can just stock to. You can prepare your own, or you can buy some pre-made in the store. And do this for about 8 minutes. And look at this beauty. Look at this. How nicely cooked. So what you do now, you can come, get your wine, sauce, and you can add some on top into this baby. See? Isn't that beautiful?